Hi everyone, today we'll be going over how to create a Panopto assignment folder. This will allow you to collect student submissions by just asking them to do a recording, whether or not it's a Zoom recording or maybe even a recording on their cell phone, because the camera on the cell phone is much better than a typical laptop webcam or even like a standalone webcam. So what they do, they can just record it on to their phone or directly to their computer, and then they can upload it directly into a folder where you as a faculty can review it before either allow them to display it for everyone else in the class or just for yourself. So we'll go ahead and start working on that. So now in Panopto, you have your Panopto recording folder. What you do is go under settings, and there is a assignment folder option right here. So when you just click on it, it'll automatically create a folder called the name of your course and then parenthesis assignments. So once you do that, you can see now there's a folder here. So we're going to go ahead and look at that on the student view. So as a student here on the right, what they do, they'll go under Panopto recordings, and then they'll see all your videos and then a folder over here that says the name of the course and the assignments. Now you could, of course, change the name of the assignment folder. So we'll go back here, and this is good in case you decide to do multiple video collection throughout the semester. So to change the name of it, you go under, click on the folder, click on the settings. Under name, you hit edit and just rename it to something else. So let's say assignment 1. Right, so we'll hit save and you're done. This won't refresh because you have to actually click on the link and then it'll refresh the folder name. So now when you go under the student, and we'll refresh their page, now they see assignment 1. So what they do, they'll go to assignment 1, click on the create button, and there'll be an option to upload media. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and what they'll do is go and look for the video that they just created. So I'm going to go find my video, and I'm just going to drop it in here. Right, so, and it's going to say upload complete. This is the video I'm uploading is only 20 seconds, so it's pretty quick, but if they have a larger file, it may take just like 15 seconds, sorry. And they just hit close. So this is just like a regular Panopto recordings. Well, it has to process the video, encode it, and also do the captioning. So if you haven't have your Panopto folder set to caption, all you do is go to folder settings, and then under caption, just set it from none to automatic machine caption. That way anything that comes in will automatically be captioned and will have a caption file. So as you can see, the student, it already finished processing pretty quick for a small video. So now for you as a faculty, you can see, you go in there and you see the video. Now if you're a second student, so I'm gonna go student view, what they'll do, they'll go in here and then click assignment. As you can see, the second student can't see that video because you're still collecting them. So that way it prevents them seeing what other students are doing and maybe try to steal their idea. So what they do, they'll upload the media, same thing, and it'll show up for them. And the other student won't see their work until you can say publish this to the rest of the class. So I'm going to go ahead and leave this. So let's say you're done and the deadline's done, you're ready to close it. So what you do is go to settings and you want to hit close. That way it's basically, see, this is the due date, you can't submit anymore. So when you hit that, close, we'll go to the student view again, right? And they can't see that folder because is you already closed the assignment. So you go in, you can see everything. Let's say you're ready to show it to everyone. So what you do, you hit the folder settings under share. You want to hit the who has access and change it to inherit permissions from, and then the name of the course. That way, whatever videos they can see, we'll save. Right. So we hit Panopto recording. So whatever permission they have for this folder, they'll be able to have permission for this folder. So now I go under Panopto recordings, and there you go. My student can see it. So they go in there, they'll be able to see every other student submission. So to test this, we'll go to student view, Panopto recordings, and then see, they'll see the folder, and then now this student can see the other student's work. And then not only this one, but then all the other student submission. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at otledtech@umd.edu. Thanks for watching.